golden echoes, how flying foxes navigate by sound. The golden crowned flying fox truly is a sight to behold, isn't it? Their large size and striking golden crown give them an undeniable presence. But what's even more remarkable than their appearance is how they navigate the complex rainforest canopy. We often think of bats relying primarily on eyesight, especially fruit bats like these, but that's not entirely accurate. They possess a surprising secret and incredible ability to echolocate. It's a skill typically associated with insect-eating bats, yet these giants use it too. By emitting high-frequency clicks and interpreting the returning echoes, they create a sound map of their surroundings, allowing them to pinpoint ripe fruit even in dense foliage or navigate at night. This echolocation complements their vision, creating an incredibly sophisticated sensory system for finding food and avoiding obstacles. Most bats rely heavily on echolocation, emitting high-pitched sounds and interpreting their echoes to navigate and hunt. But golden, crowned flying foxes are different. They primarily use their incredible eyesight. Their large eyes allow them to spot fruit from impressive distances, even in daylight. However, these magnificent creatures aren't entirely without the ability to use sound. In environments like dense rainforest canopies or dark caves where light is limited, they possess a fascinating backup system: tongue-clicking echolocation. They produce rapid clicks with their tongues and listen for the returning echoes, providing them with crucial information about their surroundings when vision isn't enough. Listen closely, you might just hear something incredible. These clicks, produced by the golden, crowned flying fox, are exceptionally subtle. They're far too high-pitched for most humans to consciously detect without specialized equipment. Imagine a gentle rustling of leaves or the softest whisper. That's roughly the volume we're talking about. Remarkably, these ultrasonic signals aren't just emitted, they radiate outwards from the bat's mouth like ripples in a pond, carrying information about their surroundings. These incredible bats possess an extraordinary ability: echolocation. They emit high-pitched sounds far beyond human hearing, and then listen intently for how those sounds bounce back. Think of it like a returning echo, painting a sound picture of their environment. This acoustic map allows them to navigate the dense rainforest canopy with remarkable precision, detecting obstacles they wouldn't otherwise see. It's also crucial for finding ripe fruit hidden amongst leaves. Essentially, they hear where the food is. And perhaps most importantly, this sophisticated system helps them avoid predators lurking in the shadows of their nocturnal world. While golden crowned flying foxes produce clicking sounds, it's important to understand they don't echolocate in the same way as many other bat species. True echolocation involves actively listening for returning echoes to build a detailed sound map of their surroundings. These foxes, however, use those clicks differently. They're essentially using them to gain spatial awareness. Think of it like this: they emit these quick clicks and passively listen to how those sounds subtly bounce off nearby objects. This allows them to fine-tune their movements, especially in dense forest environments where visibility can be limited. It's a form of passive sonar. They're not actively seeing with sound, but using it to enhance their understanding of the space around them and navigate more precisely. It's truly remarkable how these golden, crowned flying foxes navigate their world, and recent research has uncovered an incredible skill they possess. They're far more discerning than we previously thought when it comes to finding the ripest fruit. These studies have shown that these bats are exceptionally good at using echolocation, bouncing sound waves off objects, not just to locate fruit, but to distinguish between different varieties. They analyze the subtle echoes returning to them and can tell, for example, whether a fig is sweeter than a mango, or if one guava is closer to peak ripeness than another. This ability allows them to efficiently forage across vast distances, selecting the most nutritious options available. Interestingly, not every golden, crowned flying fox relies on echolocation to navigate. This ability isn't a given across all populations. Instead, it seems to be something that develops over time and in specific environments. Think about where these bats choose to roost, often deep within dark caves or the thickest parts of rainforest canopies. These areas present significant challenges for vision. Echolocation then becomes an incredibly valuable tool, allowing them to see with sound. It suggests that this skill isn't inherent from birth, but rather an adaptation learned and refined in places where visibility is limited. Those populations facing those navigational hurdles are the ones most likely to have developed and passed down this remarkable ability. It's truly remarkable how these magnificent creatures learn to navigate their world. Unlike many bats that are born with an innate ability to echolocate, young golden, crowned flying foxes actually need to be taught. They don't instinctively know how to use this incredible sensory tool. Instead, they rely on observing and imitating their mothers and other experienced adults within the colony. It's a fascinating process of learning by example, listening intently to the clicks emitted by the adults and gradually mirroring those sounds themselves. This demonstrates just how vital social interaction is for these bats' survival and development. The golden, crowned flying fox ability to navigate using echolocation isn't just interesting, it's a testament to their incredible evolutionary journey. Unlike most bats, these foxes primarily rely on scent and vision for finding food. Ripe fruit is their main staple. But in dense rainforest canopies, where visibility is often limited, or during the darkest nights, they've developed this supplementary system. It's thought that subtle clicks, imperceptible to humans, bounce off objects, allowing them to see their surroundings, locating hidden fruits and avoiding obstacles with remarkable precision. This adaptation isn't a full-blown echolocation like we see in insectivorous bats. It's more of a refined sensitivity, a secondary sense evolved to overcome specific environmental challenges. It truly highlights how these animals have molded themselves to thrive in complex and demanding habitats, constantly adapting to survive. This unique ability to echolocate using tongue clicks isn't just a curious quirk, it's deeply intertwined with their survival. Imagine navigating dense rainforest canopies at night. Visibility is essentially zero. Golden, crowned flying foxes rely on these carefully produced clicks, bouncing sound off leaves and branches, to build a mental map of their surroundings. They're detecting the subtle changes in reflected echoes to pinpoint ripe fruit patches hidden deep within the foliage. This allows them to efficiently forage in areas where other animals would struggle, minimizing energy expenditure and maximizing access to vital food resources. By analyzing how they use these clicks, the frequency, intensity, and timing, we gain a clearer picture of their foraging strategies and how they adapt to increasingly fragmented habitats. It's truly remarkable how such a seemingly simple behavior plays such a crucial role in their ecological success.